Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you about depository services, its benefits. So there are 9 benefits. I am discussing first is list and discussion, right? So demate services and remate services both are being given by depository services. Now you can ask me, demate means what? We have already understood earlier. To make the physical securities into digital format is called demate. And remate means convert the dematerialization or the demate or the digital format of the securities into physical securities is called rematerialization. So they are maintaining, as I am discussing about depository services, you have to remember that they are means depositories are maintaining physical securities of investors in electronic form through dematerialization. Second, it preserves securities in demat account because every person who wants to deal in this field, they have to keep their demat account and every security will be preserved in this account. As a result, there is no fear of theft and destruction of securities. See, this is a very safe. If you not give your demat account number to anyone, nobody can deal with your demat securities. In this sense, depository is considered as the bank for maintaining the securities. As we deposit our amount in the bank, the same is being done here, right? Purchase the securities, the demat account is indicated, so it will be directly delivered in that account and you will get the SMS on mail also. The rematerialization of demat securities is also made as per desire of investor. So if anybody wants to keep the securities in the physical form with them, they have to indicate that I want physical certificates at my home. In that situation, the rematerialization will be done, and also they will keep your physical certificates also, right? So this is the first benefit of dematerialization and rematerialization. Okay, second benefit is easy transfer of securities at less expenses is become possible. Now you understand one thing. As we decide to convert shares or securities in a digital format and we want to sell or we want to purchase, it will be done easily, very fast. Earlier, which things was taking time for transferring the securities from one name to another's name, maybe 15 days, 1 month, and it was a less of your immediate selling benefit is being easy here. If you have purchased some shares of any company, it will be immediately seen in your list. Okay, the transfer will be done within 3 or 4 days, but within the time, if you want to sell your purchased stock for getting the benefit of profit, you can do it. So immediately transfer from the one person to your name and from your name to another's name. It will not be required. You have purchased, immediately will be shown in your account, but actual transfer will take some time, but within the time you can sell immediately, so you can get the benefit of profit also. So in that way, prompt transfer. It is called prompt transfer is done here, which takes place due to depository services. It decreasing paperwork. Yes, best thing is this. Digital accounts have reduced use of the paper, so it would be benefited for the trees also. Less use of paper, right? Problem connected with the transfer of physical shares has been stopped now, and some problems like fake transfer, illegal transfer, bad delivery, everything will be stopped. Moreover, savings are possible in low brokerage expenses, and in low brokerage expenses the postage expenses will be stopped, the courier expenses will be stopped, stamp duty for transferring will not require, everything will be done very fast. So it brings a big savings for demat account holder, right? Only single share can be transferred due to depository. Earlier it was difficult, but now it is possible, right? So you think if you have not more money, if you have a 2000 rupees and you want to purchase the Colgate share of the Colgate, its price is more than 1200 rupees. This is the example I am giving. You think you have 2000 rupees and you want to purchase, you can save your money by purchasing one Colgate share and some shares of maybe Wipro, Infosys become possible. One share each is the possibility, right, my friends? So understand that you can transfer your securities easily at less expenses. It's a good benefit. Okay, let's come to the third benefit is prompt settlement of transaction. Prompt means accurate settlement. Settlement of transaction becomes speedy due to depository services. The depository participants can transfer securities very accurately, very fast and speedily, because the securities or cash are received immediately with settlement of transaction, right? Here we have to remember that actual balance income, if we are selling the shares, the actual balance required 1 day, 2 day or 3 day as per your trading account system, it may come to you, but the balance will be seen in your account to deal with the securities. Remember, investors does not require to correspondence with companies. I repeat, investors does not require to do correspondence with company. The settlement of transaction among various parties takes place through electronic system very fast, without any objection and without any reasoning to show, with delay of transfer. The next point comes a record in customer's account. See, it becomes very fast. I am saying because I am already getting the deliveries in time, so I am saying this. The receivable bonus shares over and above right shares allotted to public issues are credited in customer's account in electronic system very fast with accurate way. Means you can understand that the process is done in systematic manner. the allotment of securities become very fast. This is the best thing. Due to the depositories, it is now become possible, which was earlier taking days and sometimes months also. Okay, let's come to the next point. Facility to mortgage. Yes, mortgage means lien. It provides a facility to mortgage the securities. See, if we have the most valuable shares in our account and we have not physical amount to get from our bank, then we can mortgage our shares to get the loan. So the loan will deliver in our account directly through the electronic process. Nowadays we can have safety of our digital signature also, so we not need to keep our physical signature to go there to sign it. Everything is done in electronic form, but one thing we need to keep with us, time to time we need to change the passwords, so neither any hacking may happen with us, right? So see, as there is a facility, it will be a problematic also. So don't think that the problem is there, but to think that it is easy to do the deal become possible. Next point comes facility to freeze or close account. See, if anybody wants to go abroad or wants to close the account for short period or to freeze. See, when we are doing the work, not to do active work, you can freeze your account, so everything will be safe. If you want to close the account forever, it will be done also. Freeze will be done in which situation? When you not want to make your account active. And closure will be done in which situation? When you want to completely stop your activities. So in both the situation, the depositories are providing facility for freezing the account or closing the account in a whole. Right, my friends? So keep in your mind, in an electronic format, everything is become easy, fast, accurate and perfectly possible, right? Without wasting your time for making paperwork, application and closing form signing also. Everything will be done in a electronic form, digital format, whatever you say. The next point comes record and storage of information. See, this is the most important thing which we are having in the bank account also. It keeps a record of our each transaction connected with the securities in Demat account. So whenever we want to get any information about our activity, what we have done, we can get the complete record and data very safely. So information remain safe. It's stored in such a way that is available when it is required. So I have stated one line. Have you listened, I think, very properly, that it is being done very accurately without wasting your time. That is the main point, what I want to say. Whenever you want, just you have to give the time period from which date to which date you want to get the data. It will be done easily, right, my friends? So next point comes link between investors and clearing house. See, the depositories are doing work for the investors and providing safety of our securities, and that will be done from clearinghouse to the depository services in our name. Everything will be transferred there and will be stored easily. So we not need to go to clearinghouse to ask about detail, but we need to do only one thing, that we have to get the detail with us, and from record we can get the detail about your reference number of your transaction, your transaction ID. Everything is possible, and also they are also providing us information through email also, and with the use of the email we can get the data easily, fast and promptly. We can save the soft copy of email with us, and with email they also send us attachment folder too. Last point in the depository services benefits are services are done through internet. See, the depository services are being provided through internet at fair price. See, nowadays we all need to keep at least one internet connection to deal with every digital activities. So it is a necessary for everyone to keep this internet connection. So it is being done easily through use of internet for transferring the detail, for keeping the account detail and information in our hands. Right, my friends? So keep in your mind, these are 9 important benefits which I have stated here. Okay, let's continue to discuss with trading procedure of securities. Some beginning discussion I do this. See, earlier when the digital transactions were not done, share brokers were gathering in stock exchange. At time they were dealing with transaction on floor by outcry with different signs of hands. But now we all know that everything has gone online system. So online screen based electronic trading system is in existence instead of earlier old traditional share trading system. So it's a benefited thing for us. Online trading system is in existence in all stock exchanges of India, but mainly everyone is deal with National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. So these are basically 2 important stock exchanges we have to deal with. National Stock Exchange and over the counter exchange have adopted screen based online trading center system right from their inception. Inception means beginning. Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange have introduced completely automated screen based trading system all over the nation. So nowadays we have mobile apps for doing such kind of trade. So the screen based trading system in a National Stock Exchange is known as NEAT. NEAT. In a capital you have to remember this short form. I repeat, screen based trading system of NSE, National Stock Exchange, is known as NEAT. NEAT means National Exchange for Automated Trading. National Exchange for Automated Trading. and screen based trading system of Bombay Stock Exchange. Screen based trading system of Bombay Stock Exchange is shortly spoken as BOLT, BOLT, Bombay Stock Exchange online trading. Shortly it is a BSE. So Bombay Stock Exchange is shortly spoken by B. OL is used for online and T is used for trading. So understand, here two system you have, NEET and BOLT. NEET means National Exchange for Automated Trading, and for BSE, BOLT, BSE online trading. BSE is shortly spoken as B, online is shortly spoken as OL. All things are capital, and L is used, T is used for trading. So BSE online trading is shortly spoken as BOLT, and a National Exchange for Automated Trading is shortly spoken as NEAT, NEAT. See, investors can buy and sell their securities online through internet trading system. I repeat, investors can buy and sell their securities online through internet trading system. The order for purchase and sale, of securities are placed by investors through use of internet in such a manner that they can execute it through broker. So you can understand easily that everything is done very safely and nothing is required to be more harassment. Everything is done as you are doing rightly through the personal trading. And nowadays mobile app have come, and with the use of the mobile app you can do the trade in a different manners, right my friends? So today I have discussed with you some beginning of trading procedure, why it is useful and in which system it can be done. And earlier I discussed today in this lecture about depository services benefits. Okay my friends.